Oh, yep. Hold on. Let me loosen my drag. So this is worth it. Oh, 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 oh. Out of emu after Wenty. Got this massive herring. He's like big. He's like 25. That's a beast herring. That's really cool. Good little herring. I'm gonna keep catching these but not film. And if I get a carp, I'll film that. So, alright, we're gonna release this beautiful 30 centimeter around Aussie bass now. Very nice fish. I'm happy with that. Alright, get him back now. Oxygenating a bit. Alright, he's ready to go. Off he goes.